Given that x is a normal with mean 12 and variance 16, we want to find the probability that x is less than 14. Remember, z is x take away mu divided by sigma. And here, mu is 12, and sigma is the square root of the variance, which is 4. So this is going to be the probability that z is less than 14 take away the mean divided by 4. We've done the same thing to both sides of this inequality. Remember that z is x take away 12 divided by 4. So we've done the same to the x as we've done to the 14. This is going to be the probability that z is less than 0.5. We look that up in tables. Remember, look up z is 0.5 and read off phi of 0.5, which is 0.6915.